Welcome back to the channel. Let's figure out the best way for you to sell your books directly. Before we dive in, I'm going to give a brief overview of direct sales. So if you're watching this video, you probably don't need it, but just in case. DTC, or direct-to-consumer sales, just means that you are selling your content through your own website, your social media channels, or in person. The benefits of direct-to-consumer sales include connecting directly with your audience, maximizing your brand exposure, earning more revenue per sale, and collecting customer data. Direct sales don't have to be your only distribution strategy, but it can be a nice complement to whatever you're already doing. At Lulu, we have 2 ways for you to sell direct, or 3 if you count buying in bulk and then hand-fulfilling orders through your website or in person at events. But today, I'm going to focus on the 2 not manual options, which are Lulu Direct and our Print API. Lulu Direct is our e-commerce integration that works with Shopify, Wix, and WooCommerce. If you're interested in learning more about these platforms, check out our blog post, Shopify versus Wix versus Woo, which is right for you. That's actually not what the title is. If you can believe it, they did not ask me for my input at all, but I will link it in the description below in case you're interested in checking that out. Once you've picked your platform and uploaded your novel, your workbooks, your calendars, your magazines, your comic books, whatever you've made on Lulu in your Lulu account, then you can connect that to your e-commerce store and start selling. For our Print API, the process is similar, except you can integrate it with any website by coding it yourself. So if you heard that list that I just rambled off of Shopify, Wix, and WooCommerce, and you thought, ugh, I hate those, this is great news for you. Our API can be implemented with a few lines of code and documentation that we provide to you, your developer, or your tech-savvy friend that owes you a favor. On the surface, these 2 solutions sound very similar because they both allow you to never worry about inventory, automate print and fulfillment, reduce overhead costs, access Lulu's global print network, earn more revenue per sale, white label the fulfillment, collect customer data, and automatically scale as your business grows. So these are all great advantages, but where they really differ is customization. With our Print API, you can customize every order. This could be workbooks or even training manuals. So if you are a course creator, then having the students' names in the workbooks can be a nice little addition. This could also work for meal plans and fitness plans. So if you get a little bit of information from your clients in the beginning, you can create customized meal plans and workout plans specifically for them and their goals. Children's books is another great way that you can use this, or even comic books would be a really great way to add personalization. And so maybe the parent puts in some information about the child, so maybe their name and their favorite color or food, and then a couple weeks later, little Maybelle has a book about a flying purple pizza eater in her little hands. So here are a few things to think about when you are trying to choose which path is right for you. Number 1, how tech savvy are you? Be honest. Both of these options are going to take some time to get set up, but with Lulu Direct, some of the heavy lifting is already done for you. So when you use Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce, they already have templates and some drag and drop features that can make setting up your e-commerce store very approachable. You really just have to configure your settings and then decide how you want your store to look. Our Print API, on the other hand, can be hosted by any website, so not just Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce. That's great news if you want to go a different route, but it does mean there will be some back-end developer work as part of the setup process. Lulu provides everything you or your developers need for API integration, including complete documentation, a sandbox environment for testing workflows, a dedicated knowledge base with resources and guides, and a dedicated support team that is happy to help answer your questions. Number 2, what types of products will you be selling? If you're a fiction or nonfiction author and you want to sell your book and it's done and you don't envision any customization opportunities for those books, then Lulu Direct is a great option for you. With Lulu Direct, you can add variants and bundles so you can have hardcover, paperback, coil-bound, different versions of the book, and you can have bundles so you can group together different books in your store and create unique experiences for your readers. If you're interested in a more personalized or customized offering, then creating a workflow with the Print API might be the best option for you. My Forever Books uses Lulu to turn text message exchanges into beautifully bound books. So their users go to their website, upload a text chain, and make a couple selections about the design, and in a few weeks, they have a beautiful book commemorating those text messages. My book would be me asking my husband to get things from the grocery store and my mother asking me why I don't call her more. Number 3, where do you want your files? This isn't something I'd really considered before, but there is a big difference between how files are stored for Lulu Direct versus our Print API. Lulu Direct storefronts access files from your Lulu account. So they'll be uploaded to your Lulu account, and then you'll go there to look at your Lulu Direct dashboard, make self-purchases, and manage sales and distribution. The API suite, however, exists in an adjacent ecosystem. Your Lulu credentials will still give you access, but your API dashboard, the sandbox environment, and everything that you'll need to build and manage your integrations will live at developers.lulu.com/home instead of just lulu.com. API users will also need to manage their files separately from their Lulu accounts. The API requests print files directly from your platform or a file sharing platform like Dropbox. That means you'll need to host your print-ready PDF separately and provide a distinct URL for your print job requests. And number 4, do you want to be successful? That's kind of a trick question, but if you envision a world where your print business grows, then automation has to be part of that journey. All of Lulu's solutions are designed to scale with you, from our bookstore to the Print API, but with Lulu Direct and the Print API, you can create customized workflows for pre-sales, unique product bundles, recurring subscriptions, and dynamic pricing. The decision between Lulu Direct and the Print API really comes down to your needs, goals, and resources. If you need on-demand printing at scale, or you want to create highly customized options for your audience, then our Print API is for you. If you're interested in a more user-friendly experience with all the benefits of selling direct, Lulu Direct is a great choice. And if you're still confused and have more questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit like, hit subscribe. Create your free account at lulu.com today, and we'll see you next time.